Hi, Dr. Burns. This is Austin Lee Smith, and today I will be making my solar water heater. And so I have all my stuff here. I have my scissors and already cut my aluminum foil. I just got to wrap it up. Wrap my bottle up. Make sure that's all good. I'll go ahead and smooth this out. It's okay that it overlaps. But, and I'll tape it on there, make sure nothing happens to it. Nice and sturdy. Okay, and then, so now I'm going to go to my water source, which is my sink. I'm sorry that this is in my dorm room, and my dorm room isn't very clean. But okay, so you have to make sure the lid is screwed on very tightly. Actually, wait, no, I have to take the initial temperature. Okay, so my initial temperature is 20.4. And then I'll write that down really quick so I don't forget. .4 degrees Celsius, just to clarify. And now I screw on the lid, and I take this outside, and I will post another video updating you on how it did outside. Thank you so much, Dr. Burns.